Jupiter 9, a Russian lens based on Carl Zeiss sonar optical design, which was developed in 1952 by Ludwig Bertel. There are 5 different types of these Jupiter 9 lenses, and this mine is type 1. Made in 1967 in Lom's factory, and 1967 was film-only era, so this lens covers full frame, which is 36 by 24 millimeters. And not just 5 different types, but also there were 2 different models of this lens, rangefinder and SLR, and this one is SLR model. And because this lens was made in that film photography era, it has this preset aperture ring. So you screw this wide open and you select some number, let's say 4, put this selection ring into 4, and now you can work this area only. This is a very handy tool in film photography. Original mount in this one is M39, but it has this adapter ring to M42 mount. F-stops are in exactly correct order, like usually in these old Russian lenses. F16 iris wide open and F2 iris wide shut. Full metal body, built like a tank and fully mechanical, so you can tear this down, service it by yourself and put it back up and plug and play. So that option is very good. Obviously, you already figured it out, but this is a manual lens, so this is not for everybody, but still manual lenses are the best there is. Now, some videos and photos. Enjoy. So this was my first clip for this review. Nice springtime, snow, water, retro look. Oh yeah. And this is a bridge, just corrected picture. Very sharp lens, very sharp. And here's graded movie look, teal-ish look. Oh yeah. And this is just corrected, but look at those boards. It's a sharp lens. Oh yeah, I don't believe it. And this is graded, not much difference. And here's the old one. This I like. This I like very much. And boom, here's bokeh, which is more than excellent. And no bokeh with MFT. Ah, get out of here. And here's just corrected. Took this from this pier. This was kind of nice place. Sun shining, no wind, warm. And this is graded. I tried this teal-ish look. Kinda nice. And orange-ish look. And look at the focus point coming here. And this is purple haze or some kind of perfume river or or something like that. And there's a landscape photo. Funny thing, these modern DSLRs, there's no any kind of manual focusing assistance like a focus picking. And there's a host of elokuvasensuuri, so you have to kind of like eyeball everything sharp. Here's a local factory and a little bit of filmic RGB module in dark table, and we have retro. Very many retro. Oh yeah, filmic look. And if you are very many experienced with manual focusing lenses, you can shoot dogs. They don't stay still for a second. It makes it very difficult, especially with modern DSLRs. This was kinda easy. Dog stayed still. And look at this lens sucks light. It was totally dark. We had only one little light, and look at this full light. And this is totally non-edited photo, and look at that tree, sharp all to the back, so iris wide shot. And nice sunset. Oh yeah, this is nice ending for every video. Every video. Okay, that was it. And if you want same kind of Pokemonster retro lens, cheap, it's eBay go. But proceed with caution, because when buying these old lenses, there's always this caveat emptor in there, so be smart. And we will see on the next video, and until that, it's bye.